Welcome everyone to another video of Python functions. In this video, I will show you what are the built-in functions in Python and how it works. In Python interpreter, it has a number of functions that are available for the user. It's called built-in function or predefined functions. For example, you can say print. Print is also a built-in function which prints the given object or the text on the screen. In Python 3.7, the latest version, there are 68 built-in functions. You can stop the video if you want to see the full list. Let's move to the coding of built-in functions. So the first and most needed built-in function of Python is obviously the print. If you want to print something, then you can simply print it using print. And other languages you have to write big codes, import too many things, so this is the first and basic most needed built-in function, and the built-in functions are always in purple color in Python. So if you see any purple thing in ideally of Python, then it's a built-in function. Okay, and if you define a function, it's also a purple one. Like, let's try define. No, it's blue. So purple one is built-in function, definitely. First one is print. It's basic and most needed functions. Then here I'm creating a list and finding maximum and minimum number. Okay, the maximum number of A is definitely 135. The output will be that, and minimum number is 4. So here max and minimum is also two functions. But let's run this code for here. Okay, as you can see, these three things: the maximum number and the minimum number and the printed thing. Then b equals to -3. Then another function is abs, abstract. It will give the abstract value of b. It's -3. It will convert it to only 3. The output will be 3. Then if you want to print something's length, suppose here length of a is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, the answer will be 6. It's also needed built-in function. Then integer, float, input, which are also purple colored, it's also built-in functions. Then if you want to convert something in string, like here we are passing a float value, we are entering the user will enter a float value, and this code will convert it in string and print it. Then suppose is equals to hello, print list. List is also a function. Reversed e, it will reverse the e's value, means here it is hello, so it will be OLLEH. The output will be that. So that's some of few examples of built-in functions. Let's run this. Like, first, welcome to Python 135.4.3. This is length of a, abstract value of -3. Then integer input, like suppose 2 3 4 whatever, so it converted it in string and printed it, and the reversed function. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like and enjoyed, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.